Good morning, everybody. Now we start geometrical isomerism of maleic acid and fumaric acid. Geometrical isomerism of maleic acid and fumaric acid. એક્ઝામમાં એવું પૂછે, એક્સપ્લેન geometrical isomerism of maleic acid and fumaric acid, or another way these questions are twisted to explain cis trans isomerism with proper illustration. તો આવી રીતે ઘણી વખત જ્યોમેટ્રિકલ આઇસોમેરિઝમ મેલેઇક એસિડ ડાયરેક્ટ પૂછતા હોય અને ઘણી વખત એવું કહે કે વિથ પ્રોપર ઇલેસ્ટ્રેશન. તો મેલેઇક એસિડ અને ફ્યુમેરિક એસિડ જે છે એ બંનેની સિસ ટ્રાન્સ ઓર અનધર વર્ડ્સ જ્યોમેટ્રિકલ આઇસોમેરિઝમ છે એક્સપ્લેન કરવાની છે. And according to our syllabus, it is limited to this syllabus consists only C double bond C means ethylenic double bond having compounds and its geometrical isomerism. So the proper illustration, it is maleic acid and fumaric acid. So, what we explain for the geometrical isomerism of maleic acid and fumaric acid. So, first of all, we prove the structural configuration of maleic acid having this type and structural configuration of fumaric acid having this type. It is proved by proper illustration or evidence कि आज structural configuration it is configuration or structural configuration of maleic acid. Maleic acid and it is fumaric acid. We prove both these structural configuration. It is for maleic acid and it is for fumaric acid. So what we prove? So one by one we have list to what we prove. So both acid consist number of carbon atom are 4. 1, 2, 3 and 4. This acid also consists number of carbon atoms are also 4. 1, 2, 3 and 4. So similar evidence give to the prove the both the acids having or consist number of carbon atoms are 4. Now second, both carbon atoms having one double bond between carbon number 2 and 3. Simultaneously, in this acid it also consists one double bond between two carbon atoms, carbon number 2 and 3. So it is also similar. We prove both acids having the one double bond. And third one, both carbon atoms having two carboxylic groups. And these carboxylic groups are linkaging at the end of the both end of the chain. So it is linkaging one carboxylic acid here and another carboxylic acid are here. Similarly, this end also consists one carboxylic groups and another carboxylic groups linkaging in other end of the chain. So one by one, we give the evidence to prove this structure and finally we indicate this structure. We are not familiar to this structure, but for the easily explanation, by the help of this structure, we give the evidence to explanation for this structure. Similarly, both acids reduced by nascent hydrogen. So, both acids give the similar product and it is succinic acid. We write C double bond C. OOH, hydrogen and COOH. It is maleic acid. And another C double bond C, OOH, H, OOH, and here it is reduced by nascent hydrogen. So, previously, you also learned reaction with CH2 double bond CH2 and it is with react with nascent hydrogen solute obtaining the product as these double bond are break and it is reduced or on hydrogenation it gives the CH3 single bond CH3 and here use the two atoms of the nascent hydrogen. So similarly, reactions are also similar to this reaction. So what happens when nascent hydrogen react with maleic acid or fumaric acid? So when nascent hydrogen react with maleic acid or fumaric acid, these double bonds are break. And each of the carbon atom linkaging with double bond, it linkaging with more one hydrogen. So here these double bonds are break and here these double bonds are break. So each of the hydrogen, one hydrogen linkaging here and another hydrogen are linkaging here. Similarly, one hydrogen linkaging here and one hydrogen linkaging here. And double bonds are break to make this single bond. So with obtaining these types of structure, COOH, here CH and one hydrogen are added to make this CH2. Here also it makes this CH2 and it is COOH. Similarly, so here two atoms of the nascent hydrogen. Similarly, this acid are also react with nascent hydrogen, so it gives the similar product. So what we prove? Obtaining from the similar product, so we prove the both acid consist one double bond and position of double bond are similar in both the acid and both acid having the two carboxylic group in each of the ends. So here When these acids are react with nascent hydrogen, so it gives the succinic acid. This acid also react with nascent hydrogen, so it also gives the succinic acid. And we familiar about the structure of succinic acid. And succinic acid, it is dicarboxylic acid. And in dicarboxylic acid, both the carboxylic groups linkaging both the end of the chain. One is here and one is here. We can't do any reaction or changes by the reaction with nascent hydrogen to change the carboxylic group. So carboxylic groups are originally present here. So it proves that these two acids consist carbon-carbon one double bond, and position of double bonds are similar, and each of the acid having the two carboxylic groups. So it is dicarboxylic acid or diabasic acid. Now another evidence for similar probe, when it is react with H2O, so we get this CH3, CH2 and ethyl alcohol. So similarly, when both the acids are react with H2O, so this acid react with H2O. So what phenomena are take place? Double bonds are there, and carbons having the double bond. One carbon atom linkaging or accept one hydrogen from the water molecules, and another carbon atoms having or linkaging with hydroxyl group from water molecule. So we getting product COOH, CH2, CHOH and COOH, and it is known as a malic acid, not malic acid. So similar reaction performed with this acid, so it also gives the similar product, and it is also malic acid. So it also proves both the carbon atoms having one double bond, position of double bond are similar in both the acid, and both the acids having the two carboxylic group linkaging at the end of the two end of the structure or chain, because of in malic acid it's having the two carboxylic groups each of the end of chain. So here it is another evidence or second evidence to prove the double bond, two carboxylic groups, and position of double bond are similar position. Now third reaction we perform with ethylene, and it is when react with HBr. So double bond are there. One carbon atoms having one carbon hydrogen, so it gives CH3, CH2 and Br. So here similar reaction performed with, here it is react with hydrobromic acid, HBr. So double bond are there. One carbon atom linkaging with one hydrogen from hydrobromic acid, so it forming CH2, and another carbon atom linkaging with bromine from the hydrobromic acid, so it is Br and COOH. And similar reaction are performed with this acid, so it gives also similar product. So it is 1, 2, 3 and 4. Compound contain 4 carbon atoms and 2 carboxylic groups, so it is known as a dicarboxylic acid. Specifically it is succinic acid, but one hydrogen are substituted by bromine, so it is 2-bromo succinic acid. So it also proves that both acids consist one double bond, position of double bond at similar position, and two carboxylic groups. Now another evidence, when it is react with alkaline KMnO4. So double bond are made. Aqueous alkaline KMnO4, aqueous alkaline KMnO4. So double bond are made, and each of the carbon atoms linkaging with hydroxyl group, and it form the ethylene glycol. So similar reaction perform here. So when this acid react with alkaline KMnO4, potassium permanganate O4. So double bond are there, and each of the carbon atoms linkaging with double bond, it is linkaging. After reacting with KMnO4, it is linkaging with two hydroxyl group, each of the carbon atoms. So we find COOH, CH2OH, CHOH, and COOH, and it is tartaric acid. Similarly, this acid are also react with alkaline KMnO4, so it also give the similar product. So all of this evidence prove that both the acid having one double bond, position of double bond are same, and each of the acids having the two carboxylic group. It is proved from the obtaining product after react with different reagent. Now another evidence, so it consists only double bond, not triple bond. So when with electrolyte sodium or potassium salt of this acid, so sodium or potassium salt, hydrogen from the carboxylic groups are substituted from the sodium or sodium. So it may be disodium salt of maleic acid, or it is substituted by K, potassium. So it is dipotassium salt of fumaric acid. And when we perform the electrolysis, so sodium are replaced and it is collected cathode. Here potassium metals are collected and carbon dioxide are evolved, and remaining this portion obtaining in CH triple bond CH acetylene gas જે છે એ અહીંયા આગળ obtain. So it proved that this both two acids consist only one double bond, and the position of double bond are similar in both the acids. From this evidence, we write the molecular formula for both the acids is equal to C4, H4 and O. Here we show that carbon 1, 2, 3 and 4. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Hydrogen 1, 2, 3 and 4. 1, 2, 3 and 4. So both the acids having the molecular formula are similar, and it is C4H4O4. Second thing, both acids having the 1 C double bond C bond axis. C double bond C, and C double bond C. So, from this evidence, we write the partially structure of both the acids are for maleic acid or fumaric acid, C double bond C. Both the acids having one double bond, C double bond C, bond axis. Molecular formula of both the acid, it is C4H4O4. So, remaining 2 valency of both the acids, C double bond C and C double bond C. From them, we obtaining the dicarboxylic acid product. It consists 2 end of the carboxylic group. So here we put the 2 carboxylic groups in this way, and another way, this carboxylic group put here COOH. There are 2 probabilities. Both the carboxylic acid are in similar site in respect of double bond, and both the carboxylic groups are in opposite side in respect of double bond. So remains one valency are fulfilled by hydrogen and hydrogen. Now we obtaining the 2 configuration of acid from the previous data or previous evidence. Now we confirm that this structural configuration for the maleic acid and it is for the fumaric acid. So we give the more evidence to prove this structural configuration for maleic acid and it is for the fumaric acid. So first of all, when this acid heated at 100 degrees Celsius, so it may be losing by 1 water molecules and it make the anhydride compound. Similar to previously we familiar about COOH and COOH, phthalic acid. And when phthalic acid on heated, so it losing the 1 water molecule. 1 hydroxyl group from 1 carboxylic groups and another hydrogen from the another carboxylic groups having the OH and remains 1 oxygen make a bridge between CO and CO. So we obtain these types of structural formula CO and oxygen make the bridge between 2 groups make bridge between 2 carbonyl groups and it is known as anhydride. It is phthalic acid. But we take the isophthalic acid or terphthalic acid and it is heated, so it can't make the or it cannot produce the anhydride compound because of water molecules are not released from the 2 carboxylic groups because of 2 carboxylic groups arranged away from the distance. So here when maleic acids are heated at 100 degrees Celsius, so it losing hydroxyl group from here or from here and 1 hydrogen from here in the form of water molecule, and this oxygen of the hydroxyl groups make the bridge between 2 carbonyl. So we getting the C double bond C, H, here C double bond O, here C double bond O, and oxygen. It may be or it form the maleic anhydride by losing the one water molecule. So similar reactions perform with fumaric acid. So it cannot perform the reaction or it cannot losing the water molecules to make the anhydride. Because of in maleic acid, two carboxylic groups arrange in similar site in respect of double bond, while in fumaric acid, two carboxylic groups arrange opposite side in respect of double bond. So distance between two carboxylic acid may far away from each other and it may be near to each other. So it easily losing the water molecules. But when we heated at higher temperature, above 100 degrees Celsius, so these axes are rotated and easily losing the one water molecules and make the or produce the maleic anhydride, but it cannot form the fumaric anhydride. So fumaric anhydride are not existent because of it is heated at higher temperature, so it rotates this axis and this axis rotate. So this carboxylic group arrange in this side, or both carboxylic acid comes near to each other and it is losing easily one water molecule and it makes the anhydride form. So here this structural configuration prove that or product prove that this structural configuration for the maleic acid, while this in this reaction there is no product are obtained, so it confirm that two carboxylic acids are arranged far away from each other, means opposite side in respect of double bond, so it make the distance are far and so it cannot able to losing the water molecules and make the anhydride compound. So this compound it is fumaric anhydride. Now we give the evidence, another evidence for this structure. So it is when aqueous alkaline KMnO4 it is oxidized to form the maleic acid, tartaric acid. It also forms the tartaric acid. But according to its configuration, it is optically active or which form of optical isomers. Here, when it is oxidized by alkaline KMnO4, means KMnO4 plus NaOH, so it is oxidized. So here we write this type of structure: COH, C, C, and COOH, and both the hydrogen in this compound, origin compound, arranged in similar side, either this side or it is COOH, C, COOH, H, and now, which phenomena are performed, take place when it is react with alkaline KMnO4, double bond are break and it is oxidized, and which carbon atom linkaging with double bond are break and each of carbon atom linkaging with one OH group. So OH groups are attached at which side are empty or vacant. So here these hydroxy groups are also attached this direction, and if it is so obtaining compounds having the both hydroxyl groups, arranging each of the carbon atom in similar shape, and so it's having the two asymmetric carbon atom, and it is mesoform of the tartaric acid. If it is also mesoform or it is mesoform, so it forms the mesotartaric acid. While similar reaction are performed with fumaric acid, alkaline KMnO4 or KMnO4 plus sodium hydroxide. So here we write COOH, CC and COOH, and both the hydrogen arranged opposite side in respect of double bond. So one hydrogen put here and one hydrogen put here. Or another way, it is written as COOHC, COOH, hydrogen here and this hydrogen here. So similar phenomena take place. Double bond are break, and each of the carbon atom linkaging by double bond, each of the carbon atom linkaging with one hydroxy group, but hydroxy groups are arranged at which side are vacant. So here OH group one here and another is opposite side. Here OH group is here and another is here. So in obtaining probability to obtaining the product equivalent mixture of two components, and it is one, it is levo-rotated, so it is dextro-rotated. So we put here, so it is known as a D-L-tartaric acid or racemic mixture of tartaric acid, and this racemic mixture confirms that in structural configuration of fumaric acid, both the carboxylic groups arrange opposite side in respect of double bond, while in maleic acid, both the carboxylic groups linkaging at the similar side in respect of double bond. So this structural configuration for the maleic acid and this structural configuration for the fumaric acid. Now we write the structural formula and configuration. So structural formula for the maleic acid write in this way, and for the fumaric acid in this way, and we write the configuration of maleic acid, it is this way, it is the COOH, COOH, H and F, and it indicates the C double bond C. And here, so it is for the configuration for the maleic acid, while configuration for the fumaric acid, it is arranged in this way. So it is COOH, H, COOH and H. Now it is complete. For the evidence or prove the evidence for the maleic acid and fumaric acid. તો આ રીતે એક્ઝામમાં જ્યારે પૂછાય તો આ અહીંયા સુધીના 1 by 1 એવિડન્સ એ આપવાના છે અને અહીંયા સુધી તમારે કમ્પ્લીટ કરવાના. 6 to 8 માર્કની અંદર ક્વેશ્ચન છે એ પૂછાતો હોય, એટલે પ્રોપરલી જો પ્રિપરેશન કરેલી હોય તો ઇઝીલી તમે રાઇટ કરી શકો. Thank you very much.